Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, MRCs. So basically today I'll be looking at PPE data. I'll try to generate a dashboard report on PPE, that is personal protective equipment. So this is our data. Try to look at an overall report from 2022 to 2024. So basically when you try to load your data, it gives you all this. So basically what I'm interested in is this, the PPE, the data itself. Then okay, before I take you to the dashboard, so for example, if you have some other concerns with the data or you need to clean up the data, you have to click on the transform data. But if you feel like your data is okay and you trust your source, you proceed with the load. Then we wait for our data to load. So as our data is loading, so this will be a bit a brief video. I'll be mainly looking at the timelines in terms of the distribution. Okay, just experienced one error, but this is not bad. So this is my data. So I'm interested in time. Then under time, there's a drop down menu. You can click this. I'll be interested in the years. Then let me see. I'll be interested in the number of pieces. As you can see, these are the number of pieces. So let me think I'll use this graph. I can use this. This is not okay. I can use this. So this is the distribution in terms of years, the PPE. So our interest is on this. So I can come here. Can start with working on the title. This is distribution. In years, so in year 2022, 2025. Okay. So basically we can work with this. Then we can proceed to work on other date formats. Okay, this is not bad. Well, these are okay. This is yours. Okay, then I can have this here. Most of the times we need This is PPE project 2 date report. So basically, if you notice all these changes, but I usually prefer working with just this. Let me see what else you can find. Okay, this is okay. I think we can work with category and percentage, or we can just work with percentage of the total. So let me see. So now I'm working on a daily PPE distribution. I think actually the most appropriate one is you can use a line graph to show this trend. Then this could be monthly distribution. So you can notice how tabular, how Power BI is not really complicated in the context of generating reports or this. It's not really complicated. Some may also be interested in department. So mainly I may consider these ones, the major ones, as I keep developing our report. And what else can I display on our report? Graphs are done. I think mainly maybe we can have something like this. may not work out. Maybe I can stretch this. Okay, basically we can speak of that. So if I'm to try to explain this graph, it shows the distribution of PPE 2022 to 2025. This is this is 2024 according to the data I have. Okay, this is also 2024. So basically that is it. Yeah, so this can be a simple representation in your report. Power BI doesn't need you to be in position to know like a lot of Excel, or it's just basic knowledge. The only challenge you face is the tracker, building a tracker and updating it. Like you may be in position to do this, but if you are communicating wrong information, then it also doesn't serve the purpose. To take you through this briefly, this is a distribution per year. Then the beauty for BI, the beauty with BI, for example, if I'm to press, if I click on the highest percentage, or I can just click on the year, this year, you will notice that all these other colors attached to the different years, they deselect, they are not highlighted. So whatever data I have now, or the distribution is of that year, the PPE quantities have been highlighted here. There has been a reduction in number. So if I click on the second percentage, which is this one, 2023, we had mainly that was the quantity of PPE that was used. Some of the reasons why you could explain this huge change, maybe we had new people on board. Like let me just give an example. When you notice that this one, these two companies or subcontractors or departments, in 2024 we have them and they are taking the highest position. If you try to notice, construction takes the highest, followed by these the first three. But when we come back in 2020, the second percentage, you'll notice that like it is zero in terms of the selected items. Then you notice that these other departments have not yet come in. So maybe the increase in these PPE quantities for the year is also attributed to the new members who came on board and yes, have been working. So even the graphs show the distribution. This distribution is monthly. Uh, then, for example, if I only focus on, if I click on 2024, I press the hold keyhole, then click on this highest August, you'll notice that this is the highest number. So there's a possibility that this team came in this year. Okay, the largest number of people who came in that year, and this was the amount of PPE that was used by this team. So basically, that is it. Then let me see. Let me try to reduce this. Okay. Then this would be the data distribution. How do we look at this? Remember, this runs from 0 or the first day to the last day, that is 31st, and for some months it's 30. So for example, I may be interested in the month of November, of which year I just click on 2024. You get. So when I just click on this of December, this is the distribution. and this was the quantity that was used. So you find that it is not hard to explain or to trace which department took the highest number of PPE. You can add another item on this report to show you the PPE that was used. I think that is in our previous videos. Yeah, basically that is it. So Power BI, to me, it's not something really hard. You just have to learn to work with it. But I would encourage you, if you are new to the channel or new in data analysis or looking at data, it wouldn't be the first app you would start with to work with. So your main primary focus would be on learning Microsoft Excel, understanding the functions, the formulas, the dynamics, the trackers, developing trackers and systems. Then it will be from these systems you are able to develop the dashboards, the reports you need, and present powerful visuals that really command and realistic in terms of what you are communicating, but the distribution or the period you're working. Basically, that is it for this video. And if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. You can leave a comment, a share, and also if you have any concerns, it's welcome. Thank you.